Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 5. If 27 times 27 equals 3 times 3 times x, then x equals So we always choose the easiest way, the fastest way to solve for a problem, especially in this test. Now we know that 27 is 3 times 9. So I can rewrite 27 times 27 equal 3 times 3 times x. Add 9 times 3 times 9 times 3. Keep the same on the right hand side. And now we divide both sides by 3 times 3. Because we want to isolate the x on the right hand side. So we can cancel out the 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 1 multiplied by any number is that number itself. So 3 divided by 3, we cancel that 3. Now on the right hand side we have left with x. On the left hand side we have 9 multiplied by 9. And the answer is x equal 9 times 9, 81. So C is the right answer. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.